Hello, YouTube. Hello, NFL fans. Hello, Bear fans. Guess what, Bear fans? It's almost time. Guess what we gotta do? It's that time, people. It's that time. You better buckle up. You better buckle up. Because we're in for a hell of a ride. Listen, I've already made this is my sixth video about the 2017 Chicago Bears. I've already made 5 videos predicting the Super Bowl. The Bears would go to the Super Bowl and win it. Alshon Jeffrey said it. Blah, 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 blah. Listen, this is my 6th video. I've never put that much oomph into a season before. But let me tell you something. We are in for something special. This season is going to be outstanding. You Bear fans, I've got a lot of you Bear fans on my Facebook and YouTube. A lot of Bear fans. I would say 25% of you Bear fans have faith in these 2017 Bears. 25%. But I think 75% of you Bear fans have a lot of doubt. I even read one Bear fan, I'm not going to tell you these people's names, but one Bear fan predicts that the Bears will go 2-14. Did you hear what I said? A Bear fan predicted 2-14. What kind of fan is that? Yeah, I'd rather you not even root for my Bears. What, just because you live in Chicago, you're a Bear fan? Okay, that's all right. But 2-14? Are you out of your mind? Wait, okay. I'm not ashamed of you because I understand where you're coming from. Ever since Lovey got booted, we've been in disarray. Changes, head coaches, offensive coordinators, defensive coordinators. Okay, it's been a mess. I can see where you don't have much hope. I can see that. I can see where your anticipation for the season, whatever. I can see that. All right? Now listen, I didn't have great expectations for last year. I really didn't. Because Pace and Fox had a lot of cleaning up to do. Okay? But let me tell you something. If we didn't have over a dozen players go on IR, we would have been a lot better last year than we were. Okay? They put together 2 drafts, bunch of free agents. If we didn't have 12 injured I think there was 14 people on IR. Okay? If we didn't have all those players injured last year, we would have been one heck of a team. I believe that with my heart. Alright? So, you thinking that this year is going to be worse than last year? Come on, man. We're not going to have a mass unit. Alright? There's no way that the odds are going to be against us like they were last year with injuries. There's no way. There's no way. Okay? This is my sixth video predicting that the Bears will win the Super Bowl. And I tell you what, it would not shock me if we win 19-0. 16-0. 16-0 in the regular season, all the way through the playoffs, Super Bowl, 19-0. Wouldn't shock me. At worst, okay, there's about 3 games I'm worried about next season. 3. Philly, Pittsburgh, and New Orleans. Those 3 games bug me a little bit. But I'm not afraid. And I don't have doubts that Pace, Fox, and our players are on the same page. With all the players, with all the play time, our second and third string got last year. That's only going to multiply the great play of the entire 53-man roster this year. Think about that a moment. You've got players that are second and third string that, if our players would have stayed healthy last year, would have got no playing time, or barely any. Barely any. They got a lot of playing time. We've got 90 guys out there right now begging to play for the Chicago Bears. You know why? Because they smell it. They sense it. These guys are professional football players. They know what's happening. They know what division we're in. They're not stupid. We have got some very smart, very talented players on this team. I'm telling you, 14-2, the worst. You fans that are doubting these Bears, I'm not ashamed of you, okay? I understand. But this is it. This is going to be the Bears' year. This is going to be the year that turns you around. We're going to the Super Bowl. We're going to win it. Because that's what we do. We're going to win it. I'm telling you, it's going to be one of the greatest Bears seasons ever in history. And Walter Payton and George Halas will be smiling down from heaven because this is going to be unbelievable. People, get on the boat. Get on the wagon. Get on the plane. Get on whatever you want to do, but you better get into the season. It's going to be magnificent. Hey, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? You doubters, don't doubt the Bears. All right? We go 4-0. All right? Start the season. Falcons, Tampa Bay, Pittsburgh, and Packers. All right, we go 4-0. 4-0. Why can't we go 8-0? You're going to see it by our bye week. We just might be 8-0. 7-1 worst by our bye week. Week 9. Mark my words. I'm tired. I'm typing and talking. These people's going in one ear out the other. I kind of don't blame you guys for not listening and laughing, even laughing at me. That's all right. I've been laughed at before. In fact, some of my videos are supposed to be funny. Subscribe on YouTube, JJnippleman. Look at my past. Okay, I do crazy videos, but I'm not crazy this time. I'm dead serious. This is going to be a season to remember. Get your old style, get some stuffed pizza, and just enjoy one spectacular season from the Chicago Bears. Soldier Field is going to be rocking. Fox, ESPN, ABC, NBC, CBS, and MSNBC, Fox News, CNN. I'm telling you, we are going to be a spectacular season. Listen, it's early in the morning. I haven't had much coffee this morning, but I'm just sick and tired of seeing this every single day. The doubt. These fans are sometimes it's pissing me off. Well, that's all right. I understand. You guys haven't had much to cheer about. Oh, some Bears fans even went to the Colts. Now the Colts fans. My cousin, My cousin Ray, Bears fan all his life. Man, he's rooting for the Colts. He actually celebrated them beating the Bears in the Super Bowl. Oh, oh man, I almost cried. I love my cousin. I love my family. I love my friends. But people, you got to get on the wagon. You got to jump on the wagon, jump on the boat, jump on the plane. You got to do it. Jump on the train because this is going to be spectacular. I'm not going to go into everybody's position on the field, but I think Jordan Howard is going to carry this team on his back. And we've got receivers from all over the NFL that came to the Bears and want to be number one, number two receivers. Okay? These guys, they're getting paid. They want respect. They want the ball, and they want to score. Okay? Our offense is going to be booming, and our defense are going to be monsters. You got to trust me. We're going to have one of the greatest teams ever assembled by pace. And Fox is going to get a hold of the reins, and he's going to take this chariot all the way to the fire. And it's going to be unbelievable. You've got to believe me. You've got to believe me, people. This is going to be, man, I'm telling you, you're going to be so freaked out. If we're going to be all over ESPN, they're going to be, I just hope it don't go to our head. I'm going to make more videos. Every week I'll make videos when the season starts. But this is what? It's July 1st. I can't wait. I can't wait for this bear season. I can't wait. Yeah. You know what it is. This is going to be spectacular, people. I'm telling you. Believe JJnippleman when I tell you something. You're going to love it. You're going to be so proud. You're going to put your gear on again. You're going to be strutting down the street with your bear stuff on. People from all over the country is going to buy bear stuff. And they're going to get on the bandwagon. We're going to turn over some Dallas fans our way. We're even going to turn over some Lions fans, Minnesota fans. We might not turn over no Packer fans because we hate the Packers. But anyway, all these fans are going to be actually rooting for us. We're going to be in visitor stadiums and we're going to hear the roar for the Bears. I'm telling you, man, my heart is just pumping. I can't wait for the season to start. I am so pumped. When I type to these people that are doubters, Bear fans that are doubters, I just want to type that. I want to keep going and going, but man, you got to trust me, people. This 2017 Chicago Bears team, I'm telling you, it might be the third or fourth greatest Bears team ever assembled. Oh, I can't wait. I just hope I don't have an aneurysm before the season starts because I'm so excited. You heard it here first, people. Undefeated would not shock me. 19-0 over New England in the Super Bowl. I'm telling you, I've been saying this for 3 months now. Before the season even ended last year, I saw with my eyes what was going on. We had third-string players playing their heart out. We had quarterbacks that never touched the ball before, trying their best. We had a running back with the heart of Peyton, running like a wild beast through defenses. And, oh, man, it was just outstanding. And we were on a losing team. But I saw the heart. I saw all the love for the being on the Bears on the Soldier Field. I'm telling you, the last couple games, Washington, we had nobody to play, but they were still playing with heart. Third string. Okay, I'm taking up almost 15 minutes of your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me. But I'm telling you, don't give up and think about this a moment. You doubters, you Bear fan doubters, just Just, just, just wait. You'll see. One game at a time. We're just going to start winning you over. Okay? It's going to be the true Bear fans, and then their friends and relatives are going to start coming in. Before you know, the whole United States and even foreign countries are going to say, wow, these Bear fans, these Bears team, this Bears season is unbelievable. Okay, 15 minutes I wasted. I have wasted. I'm sorry. I did not waste. I wasted. I hope I didn't waste your time. All right? You go, Bears. You Bear fans, pull them shirts and jerseys and sweaters out of your closet. Pull them out from underneath that drawer that you've been put away for years, because you're going to bring them out, and you're going to believe, and you're going to see what I'm saying. And I'm telling you, it's going to be an outstanding season, people. I can't wait. My heart beats Bears blood. Yep. Started watching football, Bears football, 1968. My mom was a Cardinal fan, Chicago Cardinal fan, but hey, it's all right. She liked the Bears too. But when the Cardinals played the Bears, she liked the Cardinals. My dad was a Bear fan, and most all of my family are Bear fans. And I got a big family. God bless my family. God bless my friends. And God bless you, Bear fans. Let's make the Bears great again. All right. I gotta go. Oh, man, I love it. Don't you love football? Don't you love the NFL? Not the violence. It's like it's like chess pieces, you know? You got 11 guys out there fighting their 11 guys, man. Oh, it's just intense. NFL, thank you very much. McCaskey, Mr. Hallis, family of George Hallis, thank you very much. I salute you. All right, guys, just enjoy the season. All right, just buckle up, because it's Bears time. It's Bears time. So you got to buckle up, because it's Bears time. You guys are going to love it. All right, I got to go. Bye.